Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', poo, y'all already know what to do. So anyways, y'all know we like to get right into it over here. So as you can see, this is gonna be the back. So I am making sure that I pull out the little part right there that I just pulled. I don't even know what to call it, but you want to also make sure you cut an inch or two away because this fabric does not stretch at all whatsoever. So as you do that, you want to go ahead and flip it over to the other side like so and cut it out like that. Yeah, get into it. But y'all, we at 5K. It's time to go to 6K. Let's get it. Make sure y'all subscribe if you still here. What you doing? I'll wait. So now y'all, as you can see me flipping it over to the other side, and you just gonna basically do the same thing, and this is what you should have, 4 pieces. And we're gonna go ahead and sew the crotch area, and that's it. Do not sew all the way down because you're gonna have a long ass skirt and you don't want that. So what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other like so. And this is what it's looking like. So y'all, she wanted the little shingle things at the bottom end on the side of the pants. So right now I am just going to take both and put them on right sides together like this. And then we're going to add the shingles to the side. But when you do this, you're going to make sure that you put the shingles inside the pants so they can actually be on the right side or whatever. And then if you want, you can pin it, but at this point I feel like I'm just not gonna keep pinning stuff because I can just do it like this because I'm just that cold now, you know, you feel me? Yeah, I had to get a little cocky with it. But we're gonna go ahead and just sew that down the sides like so. And this video is not as detailed as any of my other ones, but you get the picture. And if y'all have any questions, don't be scared to comment down below. I don't bite and I will help out. I'm not one of those. But this is what it's looking like. And y'all, I'm just going here and sew the crotch area, and then basically you will be done. No, I lied. We gotta add the waistband. But that part I didn't get detailed on. So if y'all want like a detailed video, y'all gonna have to check out one of my previous videos on me installing the elastic band. But yeah, get into it. This is me installing the elastic band right here. And make sure y'all subscribe, follow me on all social media platforms. And this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. And y'all, I love how it came out, and my client was definitely happy about it. She was such a vibe. But yes, I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out.